Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have these. This is a stack of magnetic label holders. So it's a 10 pack of these. Um, Let me get some scissors here. Haha, I did it with the scissors and it didn't open. There we go. Okay, so inside, this is what they look like here. So that's what it is, and it's got a whole magnetic back on it, and you can slide these off, the little plastic off, and you can put anything you want in there. I guess it wouldn't be a name badge, but you could put a little label. Like if I wanted to say something about the kids or something and have certain things, I could stick it here at the fridge, on there. I don't know if this is magnetic. Yes, I could put it on my microwave. Pretty much anything that's metal, you can put this on. And so you could label it with whatever you need. If you want to say, the clean, you could have one say clean and one say dirty and put them on your dishwasher. You guys can't see my dishwasher, it's down there. But you got all sorts of different options with it. So it's kind of cool to be able to have labels and have them like this. Actually, I'll probably put something here that says remember to water my plants. So I can water my plants and then I can put it away or something like that when I'm done. So each day I'll put that up at night and then in the morning I'll remember to do it. So pretty cool. It's a nice little thing here, and the way you can just slide it out, put it in there. You can even put some pictures in there and make little magnetic picture frames if you want to. So you got a whole variety of options to do with that, and you get a whole stack of them here. I think it was about 10 of them. It is 10 of them, exactly 10. So there we go. So these are the magnetic label holders. Very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.